Alright, good morning everyone. I'm supposed to work from home, but I guess a coworker of mine forgot his ID or something. He can't get in, so I'm gonna go ahead and get him out. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to stay there or not, or just return, so no one says nothing, I'm just gonna come back home. But anyways, back to the subject here. So I started playing a little bit with something called doubly lists, or doubly notes I think it was. And right now I'm in this section as well that talks about removing the tail node, the head node, that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's quite complicated. You know, it's quite a lot of work just to try to understand and remember, you know, what's supposed to go where, and you know, how to call out the head node, how to remove it, how to iterate through the whole, you know, list. All the little attributes you gotta add on to the variables. It's getting quite complicated, so it kind of demoralizes me a little bit, but I'm just gonna keep going through and re-practicing whatever I can on my end. You know, I'm sure at some point every developer or engineer goes through this, so we'll see how this goes. Oh, it's just a little quick update, nothing too crazy. So laters.